Hello friends, I am Rasmi Patel. Today we learn for class 9 subject Sanskrit. In previous video we learned chapter number 10. In this video we continue this lesson. Chapter number 10 is Dwararikasya Seva Nishtha, the doorkeeper's allegiance to service. Dwararikah उपसुत्य कथयतु भवान. Upasutya means going near. Upasutya means going near. Kathayatu bhavana. Please tell me. Please tell me. Kathayatu means tell. Sannyasi. त्वं तु दोरारिकः असि कदापि धनिकः न भविष्यसि वनेषु कन्दरासु च वयं विचराम सर्वं रसायनतत्त्वं जानीम. Sannyasi said, Tvam, you, Dorarika, doorkeeper, you are only a doorkeeper. You are only a doorkeeper. Kadapi dhanika na bhavishyasi. Dhanika, rich man. Bhavishyati means will. Na means never. Never will you be a rich man. Never will you be a rich man. Vanesu kandarasu cha vayam vicharam. Vayam, we. Vanesu means forest. Kandarasu means valley. Vicharam means wander. W-A-N-D-E-R, wander. We wander in the forest and valleys. Sarvam Rashan Tattvam Janima. Sarvam means whole. Yeah. Rashan Tattva means alchemy. Janima, no. Sarvam Rashan Tattvam Janima. We know the whole chemistry. Whole chemistry. I repeat the whole passage. You are only a doorkeeper. Next sentence. Never will you be a rich man. Next sentence. We wander in the forest and valleys. Next. We know the whole chemistry. Yeah. Dorarikah Bhavatum Nama Agre. Bhavatu Nama. Doorkeeper said, Na Bhavatu, maybe, Nama, indeed. Bhavatu Nama means maybe, indeed. Agre. Agre means ahead. Sannyasi said, Yadi mama pravesam tvam na aurodesi tahi tubhyam yathestum rasan dasyami. तेन 50 तुला परिमितम ताम्र सुवर्णम भविष्यति. Yadi means if. Sannyasi said, Yadi means if. Mama pravesham. Pravesham means entering. Tom na aurodasi. Aurod means stop. Yadi you do not stop me entering. You do not stop me entering Tahi. It's if I will give you a such much I will give you as much chemical as you wish. Rasan Dashyami. Okay. If you do not stop me entering, I will give you as much as chemical you wish. तेन 50 तुला परिमिति ताम्र सुवर्णम भविष्यति. ताम्र copper, सुवर्णम means gold, तुला परिमिति tolas. Okay, 50 means 50. With it 50 tolas copper will turn into gold. I repeat the whole passage. If you do not stop me entering, I will give you as much chemical as you wish. With it 50 tolas copper will turn into gold. Dorarica आ कपटिन विश्वासघातम उपदिशसि न वयम त्राडसाः कथयकः त्वं कुतः आगच्छसि अहं त्वां कस्यचित् गुप्तचरं मन्ये दुर्गाध्यक्षं निवेद्य त्वां दण्डयिष्यामि सः त्वां विज्ञाय यथोचित करिष्यति. Doorkeeper said, "Ah, oh, Kaptina means oh wicked one. Oh, you wicked one. Viswasghatam upadesati. Viswasghatam. Okay. Betray, deters. Betray, deters. Updisasi means advise. Are you advising me to betray the trust? Oh, you wicked one. Are you advising me to betray the trust? Na vayam tradasa. We are not like those. Vayam, we. Tradasa, like those. We are not like those. Kathaya katvam. Kathaya, tell. Tvam, you. Tell me who you are. Tell me who you are. Kutah agachati. Kutah means kutra. Where? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Aham tvam kasya chitam guptachara manye. Guptachara, spice. Okay. Aham tvam, I. Manye, think. I think you are someone's spice. I think you are someone's spice. Durgadyaksham nivedyah tam dandishyami. Durgadyaksham means imitating the chief of the fort. Dandashyami means punished. Nivedya means fort. Okay. Intimating the chief of the fort. I will punish you. Sahatvam vignaya yathochitam karishyati. Having found out who you are. Having found out who you are, he will do whatever is proper. I repeat the whole passage. Oh, you wicked one, are you advising me to betray the trust? We are not like those. Tell me who you are. Where are you coming from? I think you are someone's spies, intimidating the chief of the fort. I will punish you. Having found out who you are, he will do whatever is proper. Sannyasi says, परित्यज्य परित्यज्य नाहं पुनः आगमिष्यामि नेवं पुनः कथिष्यामि परित्यज्य मीन्स लीव मी नाह पुनः आगच्छामि पुनः अगेन आगच्छ मीन्स कम leave me I shall not come again I will not come again nevam punah kathishami means tell nor will I tell you again like this I not tell you like this again okay so leave me I will not come again nor will I tell you like this again दोरारिकः तत् विगण्यं तं हस्तेन गृहीत्वा नयति विगण्य इग्नोर हस्तेन लीड hand taking hand okay हस्तेन means taking hand गृहीत्वा means lead him to ignoring it taking his hand the doorkeeper lead him ignoring it taking his hand the doorkeeper leads him सन्यासी प्रबल प्रकाश दीपस्य समीपे दोरारिक अपि जानासि मम प्रबल प्रकाश दीपस्य ब्राइटर लाइट समीपे नियर द लैम्प विथ ब्राइटर लाइट दोरारिक डोरकीपर अपि जानीनं न जानीसि मम जानासि मीन्स नो डू यू नो मी नियर द लैम्प विथ द ब्राइट लाइट doorkeeper do you know me दोरारिक निपुणं निरीक्षय अये आर्य खलु भवान् आर्य क्षटुम् अहति माम निपुणं निरीक्षण मीन्स ऑब्जर्विंग मिनिटली अये इंडीड सॉरी खलु इंडीड अये आर्य भवान् You are my master. Observing minutely, indeed, you are my master. Arya, sir. Yeah, master. Kshatum ahati. Kshatum means forgive. Ahati means me. Ahati means me. So, please forgive me. Observing minutely, indeed, you are my master. Master, please forgive me. सन्यासी तस्य पुष्टे हस्तं विनयस्य दोरारिक मया ते परीक्षा कृता त्वं योग्यस्थाने नियुक्तः असि उक्तोच्चायम् अलोलुपाः द्वादशः प्रभूणां पुरस्कारभाजनं भवति अहं प्रामाणिकतां प्रभुसन्निधौ कथयिष्ये कुत्र वर्तते श्रीमान् किम अनुष्ठितिं समप्रति सः तस्य पुष्टे हस्त विन्यासय means placing a hand on his back पिठ्ठप्ठबाण okay placing a hand on his back doorkeeper You have been tested by me. Pariksha, test. Doorkeeper, you have been tested by me. Maya means me. Tvam yogyasthane niyukta asi. You are appointed in the right place. You are appointed in the right place. Uktochayam alolupaha twadasa प्रभुणा पुरस्कार भाजम पश्यति Uktichai alupa means people like you who are not greedy for bribe are fit to be rewarded. Puraskaram bhajan means rewarded. The people like you who are not greedy for bribe are the fit to be rewarded. Aham tvam pramaniktam prabhu sannidho kathiyeste. Pramaniktam, honestly. Prabhu. Prabhu sannidho. Pramaniktam means honestly. Prabhu sannidho means to the king. To the king. Kathayeste means tell. I am going to tell about your honesty to the king. I am going to tell about your honesty to the king. Kutra Vatate Simano, where he is. Where he where is he? Kimo Anustuti Samapratissa. Now how is he doing? How? What is he doing? How? What is he doing? How? I repeat the whole passage. Placing a hand on his back, doorkeeper, you have been tested by me. You are appointed in the right place. People like you who are not greedy for bribe are fit to be rewarded. I am going to tell about your honesty to the king. Where is he? What is he doing? How? To hear our lesson is completed. In next video we learn exercise. Thank you for watching this video.